Hello, everybody. This is part two of Joker Man Electronics of a generall Lee 40 HP, man. Alright, very nice radio. It has the amp on the bottom. It's for Clifton Lee. Yeah, hey, Clifton Lee, we got your radio in today. We're all done with it, and we'll be shipping it out. But the only thing is you gotta give me a call because you forgot the shipping return label in there. So, for the postage. So, I need to get with you about the shipping return thing. Give me a call tomorrow this week, okay? And you forgot to leave inside the box, right in here, you forgot to leave your telephone and all that stuff on there in the paperwork, okay? Alright, buddy, anyways, we're going to go up to the watt meter, and everybody, this is part two of the generall Lee. We got a big difference out of it, so, alright, let's see here. Okay, let me see here. Alright, I'm going to show you it's on frequency. I'm going to put it on high. Oops, going to get this on frequency, as you can see. Alright, get this light out of the way here a little bit so it won't be so. Okay. Alright. Anyways, I'm gonna get back to it. Let's see what the thing does. Okay. Alright, on high. Let's see what she does. Put it on check what's the wattage on high. Oops, 15 watts. Okay, this is my tune. Alright, let's see how she does.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio.
That's on high. And remember before, it would only do just the constant 70 watts. Okay, now mine does.
Audio.
Okay, let's see it on 1,000 watt scale. Let's see how it does. Swings up to.
Audio. Hello. Audio.
Alright. Now we're going to put it on low scale. Let's see what she looks on low. See, I got it on 10 watt scale. Low should be, excuse me, close to the mic. 1.5 watts. Alright. Okay.
Hello, 1, 2, 3. Audio. Over 100 watts there. Audio. And if you want to see the differences, the meter's up, and I even pulled the meter back as far as it can go. So I adjusted it so it won't keep hitting the wall, but that's the best. But this thing's so powerful, it's talking really loud on it. So basically, this part two of my video, and if you could see how it sounds and everything like that, sounds really loud, okay?
Now we're gonna put it on a high scale. This is my high scale. Okay, power up on high.
Audio 1, 2, 3. Audio check. High scale's right there, as you can see, okay? High scale.
And then I'll put it back down low. Okay. And let me see here. That's on low power, as you can see. I'll show it to you. Low power. Come up to the watt scale.
Audio 1. Audio.
That's really good, man. So,
not too shabby as it swings you like that. So, if you guys want this done, give me a holler. That's no problem, man. I do wonderful work, as you can see. In there, sound real good. Audio test. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2. And we back out. 73s, give me a holler. Part two. Joker Man Electronics for for Clifton Lee. Thank you, sir, for being a pleasure tuning up the radio for you. Have a good day.